Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel Favorite Food. Today I'm not going to cook anything, but we are going to discuss something very important and very healthy. So I'm going to tell you today about dates, which we say as khajur. Khajur is normally used in month of Ramzan, but there are a lot of reasons that we should use dates in our normal routine. Satisfy your sugar cravings with nutrients-rich dates that help boost energy while managing blood sugar levels. All evidence points to the fact that to improve health, you must avoid sugary foods. The good news is that nature provides us with incredible nutrition in very sweet packages. One of my favorites is dates, as they are an easy, portable snack that pairs fabulously with nuts. Dates provide the nutrition you need while satisfying your sweet tooth. Here are a lot of reasons to eat dates in routine. Number 1. Dates are source of antioxidants. All dates, fresh or dried, contain different types of antioxidants which prevents from free radicals that damage cells. Dates are a great source of vitamin A and K, which acts as antioxidants in the body. Number 2. Dates can be good for blood sugar balance. Researchers have shown that eating dates alone or with a meal may help people with type 2 diabetes manage their blood sugar and blood fat levels. 5 to 6 dates can be eaten in one sitting without dramatic shifts in blood sugar. Number 3. Dates can help reduce blood pressure. A standard serving of 5 or 6 dates provide about 80 milligrams of magnesium, an essential mineral that helps dilate blood vessels. Research shows that supplementing with 370 milligrams of magnesium can reduce blood pressure. The magnesium in the fruit relaxes the muscles in your heart and blood vessels, consequently reducing blood pressure. Dates are rich in potassium and the mineral help lower blood pressure levels. Not taking adequate potassium can also lead to kidney stones. Number 4. Dates contain a brain booster. Each little date contains over 2 milligrams of choline, a B vitamin that a component in acetylcholine, the memory neurotransmitter. Higher choline intake is associated with better memory and learning, and it is very important for children and older adults to take the date to increase their brain power. Number 5. Dates helps maintain bone mass and health. Research shows that the bone loss in older women can be reduced by increasing intake of potassium. Scientists believe that high potassium intake protects bone mass by reducing the amount of calcium excreted through the kidneys. Dates are a rich source of copper, magnesium, selenium, and manganese, all of which are important to keep your bones healthy and prevent bone related conditions like osteoporosis. Dates are also rich in vitamin K, which is a blood coagulant and helps metabolize your bones. Number 6. Dates for constipation. As per a study, the date pulp extract stimulates the gastrointestinal transit activity and can aid in treating constipation. The pulp of the fruit achieves this by correcting the mineral content deregulation that occurs during constipation. The fiber in dates were also found to prevent cancers of the digestive system. Number 7. Improve heart health. Just a handful of dates a day we found to improve heart health. The antioxidants in dates prevent the arteries getting hard and clogged with plaque. These antioxidants stimulates cholesterol removal from the artery cells. Number 8. Help regulate cholesterol. According to one Israeli study, intake of dates even by healthy individuals can have beneficial effects on cholesterol levels and oxidative stress. Dates contains no cholesterol. They are also rich in iron and have more fiber than bananas. Number 9. Treat diarrhea. According to a report by the Columbia University Medical Center, diarrhea can get better or aggravated by the choice of foods you consume, which is why choosing the right food is important. Dates, being high in potassium, can help improve the condition. Number 10. Prevent colon cancer. Intake of dates can reduce the development of colorectal cancer. Consumption of dates also increases the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, and this promotes colon health. Number 11. Boost energy levels. The dates fruit contains many nutrients that help boost your energy levels. It also contains natural sugars like sucrose, fructose, and glucose, all of which offer energy boost. A serving of power packed dates contains 31 grams of carbohydrates, making them a powerhouse of energy. Dates are a perfect energy boosting snacks. Number 13. Promote weight gain. Sounds like an absurd benefit. Of course, who would want to get weight? But yes, if you are too thin and are looking to put on some pounds, dates could be one of the additions to your diet. The sugar, proteins, and other vitamins in the fruit help in weight gain, especially when you need it. Incidentally, it is said that when eaten with cucumber, dates help to keep your weight at a normal level. Now that's what we call flexibility. 14. Help prevent night blindness. The primary causes of night blindness is a deficiency in vitamin A. Dates are rich in this vitamin as well and help combat this condition. In fact, regions with more date consumptions have rare incidence of night blindness. Number 15. Prevent intoxications. It is helpful in reducing toxins from the body. Dates are commonly used as a remedy for alcoholic intoxication. They provide quick relief and have a sobering effect. They can also be used the following morning to prevent severe hangovers. Again, they should be rubbed and soaked overnight for the best result.